Hi guys, this is Ivan from Curiosmos, and today I wanted to take the time to speak about one of the most important people in the 21st century, and a lot of you guys probably don't know about him, and his name is Alan Turing. And why is he important? Well, because he is actually the father of computers and artificial intelligence. So if it wasn't for Alan Turing, we wouldn't be discussing and having ChatGPT, Mindjourney, and all these other amazing AIs that help us from day to day to make our lives easier, I guess, to this point. So as we delve into this incredible story, we are forced to be reminded about the unparalleled contributions of Alan Turing to the world of science and technology, and he's often dubbed the father of computing, and it's because he was an innovation genius basically, and his ideas paved the way for our current understanding of computing. And his most remarkable invention, the so-called Turing machine, is the foundation stone of every device we use today, from our personal computers to our smartphones. So like the core idea that drives our digital world was in fact born from a man called Alan Turing in the 1930s. So despite the fact that he passed away on June actually 69 years ago, his legacy lives on. And he's inspiring countless innovators to think outside the box, to challenge the status quo, and shape the future. He was one of those innovators. He was one of those people that were on a different level. And but his legacy doesn't stop there in the Turing machine and the foundation stone of every computer and smartphone. In fact, his legacy transcends the realm of computing, and he's also considered by many one of the most important people to have initiated the rise and the sort of creation of artificial intelligence. And his groundbreaking test, the so-called Turing test, still referenced today, sparked and fascinated and complex discourse around machine intelligence. His daring proposition: could machine trick a human into believing they were interacting with another human? This continues to fuel debates and inspire research in the field of artificial intelligence. So Turing's work basically serves as a constant reminder that the boundaries of technology are only limited by the extent of human imagination. So as we navigate through the digital world, let me just have a sip of coffee here.
A few moments later.
Awesome coffee. So we need to take a moment to appreciate the genius he was. And his work has forever transformed the landscape of technology, and well, basically continues to inspire the possibilities of tomorrow. And his legacy is not just about his contributions to science, computing, artificial intelligence. It's about the spirit of curiosity, which at the end of the day, I think is the most important thing, right? So this thirst for knowledge and the courage to explore the unknown, I think, is what best defines Alan Turing. So if you guys didn't know about him, I have a couple of articles written on Curiosmos, really interesting articles about his life, some of his favorite quotes. So if you didn't know about him and want to find out more, and you guys can check out the articles I have on Curiosmos. There's one special article about him and his sort of lost notebook, which you can find on Curiosmos as well. And it's really important to research him, because he was basically the father of AI, and everything we have today. This amazing advancement in artificial intelligence is basically thanks to this guy. So research him a little bit more, read about him. He was a very interesting guy, way ahead of his time, and it's very well worth looking back into the mind of someone who in the 1930s, you know, envisioned artificial intelligence as we are basically living it today. So yeah, thank you for watching this short video on Alan Turing. Make sure to research him a little bit more. If you did like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Curiosmos for more this kind of content. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.